In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dislike a YouTube short on YouTube.com. We're going to walk through a quick, clear process for giving feedback on a short right from the YouTube website. This is helpful if you're seeing shorts you don't enjoy and want YouTube to learn your preferences over time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to reverse it if you change your mind. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure your internet connection is steady so the Shorts player loads smoothly. If you're signed into your account, your feedback is tied to you and can influence what you see in the future. Next, play a short. You can find shorts either on the homepage or in the dedicated Shorts section. On the homepage, look for the row labeled Shorts, featuring vertical video thumbnails. Click any thumbnail to start watching. If you're browsing the Shorts section, select a short there instead. Shorts are vertical, quick videos that play in a streamlined viewer, and you can move between them with the on-screen controls. Once the short is playing, look for the thumbs down icon. On the Shorts player, the feedback controls are positioned near the video, typically alongside or just below the player, near the thumbs up button, the share option, and other actions. Click the thumbs down icon to register a dislike. When you do, the icon should change appearance to confirm your choice. This action is private. It's mainly a signal that tells YouTube you didn't like that particular short, which can help reduce similar recommendations over time. If you change your mind, you can remove the dislike just as easily. Simply click the same thumbs down icon again to undo it. You'll see the icon return to its neutral state, meaning the dislike has been cleared. This toggle behavior lets you give quick feedback without worrying about making it permanent. If you're just not sure how you feel about a short, you can leave the icon untouched and keep browsing. That's all there is to it. Open youtube.com, play a short from the homepage or Shorts section, click the thumbs down to dislike, and click it again to remove the dislike if you change your mind. Using this simple feedback tool helps refine what you see, making your Shorts feed more aligned with what you actually enjoy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process anytime you want to fine-tune your recommendations while you explore new shorts.